Welcome back, guys, and in this lesson I'm going to be talking about USP, which is unique selling proposition. So many online brands, how do you ensure that people buy from your website as opposed to many other options available on the internet? It is important that you have a unique selling point, and in this lesson I'm going to speak to you about why is it important to have a public product that is unique and giving a reason to people to purchase from you instead of your competitors. So how do you go about finding your product's USP or unique selling point? So firstly, you want to think about your product's design. Do you have some kind of ergonomic design that makes it super easy for your customers to use it? Does your product have capabilities that maybe other products on the market simply do not have? Do you provide great quality customer service? Maybe you can actually get your products out to your customers quicker than anybody else. Or maybe you offer a longer return policy than your competitors. Maybe your product is customizable. This is a really popular thing regarding e-commerce. Or perhaps your product is really competitive when it comes to pricing. So here are a few tips to stand out in the online market. You want to build communities and become a brand that people like. You want to be present and active on social media platforms, and you also want to answer public questions and comments on Twitters and also on other similar platforms. Your unique selling point is not just about your product itself, but it is also how your company is represented on social media platforms. If you can create social media platforms that really engage with your customers, then that creates a unique selling point within itself. Nowadays, sometimes your customers take Twitter or Instagram to interact with your brand. And if you are present there on that social media platform and showing up on the comment section, then this can influence them in making a buying decision. Think about them as a unique selling point, and remember to actually include this in your marketing strategy. So with this, let's move to our next lesson.